the main tag, the HTML main tag, defines the main content of your page or document. In actuality, in simple, very simple terms, the main tag only wraps up the main document, the main part of your document. For example, in here you have a just, for example, you have a title, just development course, and you have this text, and you have the pricing section and testimonial section. All these things makes up the main content of your website. For example, you have here the header, and you have here the footer, but that's not the main element or the main content of your website. You want your users to view here, and that's why you group these things, these text and these testimonials, these sections. You put them together in just a one wrapper of a main tag, so that the crawlers and then the developers can know that this is actually the main content of your website. So in this example, just read this one by one. Defines the main content of your page or document. The content should be unique and not replicated on other pages. So what you wrap up in the main content in here, for example, a blog page, for example, let's just take this as if this is a blog page. Let's try to remove the sections for now. For example, this is a blog page. This should not be replicated into other pages, right? So you wrap them in a main, and it should be a unique content in that page. And then it defines what your page is all about. It's your primary content. So that's what it means by using the main tag, the HTML main tag. It simply means this is the main content of your document. So that's pretty much its usage.